Hello dear friends, today we will see how to use this ultrasonic humidifier. So we can get user manual and filter. At first we should open our lid and replace our filter. Then you put it inside of the water, maybe like 3 or 4 minutes. Then just put it back. So we should add some water inside of our humidifier. Also you can add 2 or 3 drops of essential oil, it depends on your preference. You can buy it in our shop. And close the lid. Now let's plug in our device, use our USB power cord. It is easy to connect. So let's see how it works. If you press the button first time, we can see some continuous wave working here, and light also is turned on. The second time we have some intermittent wave. Light is still here. And the third time to turn off our humidifier. Let's see. So if you wanna turn on the light, you just press and hold the switch for a while. Then the second time, if you hold the switch, you can turn on the light. If you have any problems, please contact our service. We will help you to solve all your problems. Thank you.